Product backlog refinement is the act of breaking down items into smaller, more precise items. For example, a common backlog item is a feature request.
So that feature request is broken down into detailed pieces of work that can be more readily completed. And the team collaboratively refines these items to ensure they're properly sized and understood.
During backlog refinement, teams typically review what's changed since their last refinement conversation. They may add new items based on learning, discovery, or feedback.
But the fun doesn't stop there. Refinement also involves removing outdated or deprioritized items and adding acceptance criteria and estimates, if the team follows that practice.
Now remember, the entire team participates in refining the backlog. This is when the Scrum values of commitment, focus, openness, respect, and courage are essential. Everyone should be open about their work, their commitment to achieving goals, and their challenges.
Product backlog refinement requires team members to demonstrate respect for each other and courage in addressing difficult tasks. Just as backlog creation isn't one and done, refinement is an ongoing activity to add order, description, and size to items.
Like a garden, the product backlog needs constant tending, and backlog refinement is a practice that helps teams tend to their backlog.
While developing and refining a backlog may sound easy, it takes conscious effort from the whole team to successfully maintain a product backlog.
Now, the product owner is accountable for the product backlog, but the team is accountable for supporting the product owner in refining the backlog, being aware of what's coming, and asking questions to get the answers they need to feel confident in selecting upcoming items from the backlog during the next sprint planning. Now let's shift gears and examine some common pitfalls teams encounter as they develop their backlogs.
First is insufficient stakeholder involvement. Even the best product strategies can be rendered useless if support from stakeholders is lacking, as this leads to misaligned priorities. For successful backlog management, it's essential to involve stakeholders early and maintain ongoing dialogue throughout the process.
Next is allowing the product backlog to become unmanageable. While there's no fixed rule, having too many items makes it very difficult to maintain transparency and effective ordering. The product owner should be empowered to say no to items that don't align with current priorities to keep the backlog focused on delivering value.
We also see teams focusing solely on new features, the shiny stuff. While new features may be exciting for customers, maintaining technical excellence through addressing technical debt and quality issues is equally important for long-term value delivery. Both product features and technical health need attention for sustainable delivery.
And the final common pitfall on our list is focusing only on the long or short term. Delivering on customer value requires balancing immediate needs with long-term vision. The product backlog should reflect both quick wins and strategic initiatives while staying aligned with the product goal.
We hope you've gained a greater understanding of how backlog management and refinement enables Agile teams to deliver customer value through iterative work.
And remember, just like a garden, your backlog requires constant tending. And we'll see you next time on
All Access Agile.